Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Falmouth and we're giving you a tour of the new Falmouth sign. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now it's definitely different from the other signs that you find around Jamaica, like the Negril sign, which is probably just like a straight neon color, and the signs for Morant Bay, Kingston. So this one is actually nice. Good to see a change. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this site. On March 28, 2025, the town of Falmouth in Trelawney unveiled its Jam Iconic Experience sign, a bold cultural landmark designed to celebrate heritage while enhancing Jamaica's tourism product. Strategically placed at the entrance on Foreshore Road, the sign is both a welcoming statement and a storytelling tool that reflects Falmouth's unique identity. The installation is part of a national initiative spearheaded by the Ministry of Tourism to create eye-catching markers across Jamaica. Similar signs have already been erected in Negril and at Montego Bay's Sangster International Airport roundabout. Each is intended to serve as more than just signage. They are designed to be Instagrammable attractions that invite visitor engagement while showcasing the local history of the host community. Renowned sculptor and engineer Shahid Cole designed the Falmouth sign with elements that highlight the town's rich legacy. Its structure includes two storyboards and symbolic rum barrels, which pay tribute to Falmouth's past as a thriving hub during Jamaica's sugar and rum trade. In the 18th and 19th centuries, Falmouth was considered one of the island's wealthiest towns, with nearly 100 plantations fueling its economy. The sign therefore doubles as both an artistic creation and a historical monument linking past prosperity to present-day tourism ambitions. At the unveiling, Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett underscored the importance of the installation. He described the sign as a gateway into Falmouth, emphasizing its dual role to visually delight and engage visitors while also symbolizing the town's readiness for sustainable and inclusive growth in tourism. By blending modern aesthetics with historical symbolism, the sign aims to build deeper connections between visitors and the community. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.